The pool is fun, and you can even go snorkeling in the ocean. You have to bring your own equipment except for a life jacket. It and number 39 is a great deal because it includes a meal. As others have said, I think it and number 39 is best to buy adult tickets on day, the cheapest, and children and number 39 is tickets on site. We went with our elementary and high school students. There was a great water play area for small children. Even adults found the slides thrilling and exciting. You can see fish swimming up close on the beach. We played until we were exhausted and never got bored. We also got a coupon for one meal, so it was a great deal. Wonderful water activity experience. At night in Jpark, you sit beneath swaying coconut trees, your feet buried in soft sand, and moonlight shining above. Gentle music plays in the background, with distant singing floating through the air. The sea breeze caresses your skin, and your heart finds peace. In that moment, the world slows down, and all that remains is your perfect island escape. The one-day ticket is a bit expensive, but the kids had a blast. There is no bathroom, so you can only wash up and change clothes. Maybe it was because it was a Monday at the end of Golden Week and it was a weekday in the area, or maybe it was just not as crowded as it is in Japan, but we were able to relax and enjoy ourselves. They lend out one large towel per person. There are only a limited number of lockers, but you can use them if you go early. I was wondering whether to bring a swim ring, but there were swim rings and balls in the pool that were free to use, so my children had fun. We enjoyed the water slide many times without having to wait. You can also go to the beach, so it and number 39 is recommended for those who want to get a little closer to the sea. You can see the fish swimming in the clear water right in front of you. It and number 39 is a good idea to bring goggles. You can also use life jackets freely if they are available. You can also do banana boats and parasailing for an additional fee. There are also many reclining benches by the pool and on the beach. Lunch or dinner is included in the ticket price, so we enjoyed hamburgers by the pool at lunch and a rich hotel buffet at night. There are many slides and pools, so the kids had fun. The banana boat was 2,800 php for 4 people, which is cheaper than other resort hotels. The beach is not so good because the sand is not fine. The sea water was clean and nice,